What's up, YouTube? And welcome back to another old school opening. Today we'll be opening a special edition Force of the Breaker, which includes an original IOC pack, as well as our promos and the 2 Force of the Breaker packs, as well as 1 Shadow of Infinity, first edition pack, 1 Cyber Dark Impact, also first edition, all of these loose packs, first edition, and left the beautiful price tag on there for the first edition Duelist Genesis pack, which is actually the price that I paid for it, amazingly. So, without further ado, we're going to be getting right into it. I'm going to open up these Force of the Breaker first, kind of just to get the packs out. This is really cool because this is kind of every single one of these products or packs are from a different seller who I've either met recently or have known for a while. This Force of the Breaker pack from a secret seller, I can't really let that out. But the Cyber Dark Impacts from an eBay seller, Stardust Overdrive from Halo God, Shadow of Infinity from 416 Rare Cards, and the Duelist Genesis Steel packs from a local seller. So it's pretty cool. It's kind of a culmination of everything. And yeah, I forgot these come in. Here's our Phantom Beast Rock Lizard for our promo. 1 for 1 for all those so far, so we're doing great. And there is our 3 packs and an original IOC pack. So that's really, really awesome. Not sure which order I'm gonna open these in yet. I guess since I have 2 Force of the Breakers, start with one of those. These packs are really slippery, really shiny. Force of the Breaker. What would I be looking out for? Maybe a rare value, ultimate rare. I have recently picked up all of the Crystal Beasts, ultimate rare that I needed. So this card's really waxy too. Volcanic Scattershot, Crystal Regeki, and Firewall is our rare. Mass Hypnosis, Crystal Blessing, and Hard Summon Zombie. Alright. Okay. So, now, what am I going to do? I'm going to switch it up. Go into the 5Ds era. Actually, you know what? No. I've backtracked. I'm going to go Shadow of Infinity right now. I don't know why. Just had a feeling. Guess there's more GX packs than there is 5Ds packs. So, even them out a little there. Disciple of this Forbidden Spell, Symbol of Heritage, Machine King Prototype, Belize Frog, and Goblin Out the Frying Pan. Those are rare. Hero Heart, Hero Kid, Anteater, Eating Ant, and Neo Bubble Man. Okay, so now we'll go into that. Oh, these cards on the side there. We'll go into that Stardust Overdrive, see if we can get something good here. Started off with the hollows. It's not looking great so far. Reptilian Viper, Ritual of Grace, Moray of Greed, Regulus, and Earthbound Revival. Faustian Bargain, Slip Summon. So, 0 for 3 to start off. Those are packs remaining here. Jump into the all the way back to original Duel Monsters with an Invasion of Chaos pack. See if we can use the heart of the cards here. Get our first holo. It'd be amazing to pull a secret or ultra rare. Alright, Soul Absorption. Be gone, knave. Amphibious Bugroth. Koki. And oh my goodness, no way we pulled a secret. That's crazy. I can't believe I just called that. That's pretty awesome. It's Invader of Darkness. I would have preferred, obviously, another, but that is not bad at all. When this card is face up on the field, your opponent cannot activate quick play spell cards. Okay. Not bad at all. And as you see, there is only the one holo in there. There's no rare because it is not a reprint pack. Okay. I'm going to go Cyber Dark Impact just because. We'll see if we can get our game on. Get an ultimate rare Cyber, which would be amazing. Cyber Dark Dragon. Amazing. Come on, let's go. Justy Break. Barrier Statue of the Drought. Ritual Foregone. Combo Fighter. And an super rare. It's a Cyber, but it is not the one we're looking for. Cyber Shadow Gardna. Only during your opponent's main phase after activation, special summon this and treat it as a monster, basically. Awesome. It's a holo. We'll take it. Queen's Bodyguard, Corruption Saleh, Blast Osmodian, and Chain Healing. Okay. Starting to pick it up a little bit. You're saying there's a chance. Our last chance to get our game on here. Force of the Breaker. Although we've already done really well with this special edition since the IOC pack came in the same one. Can't ask for much else. But why not? Let's go for an ultimate rare. Can we get it? Lucky Iron Axe. No fur on the Force of the Breaker packs. It's always a pretty cool looking dragon. Magna/Dragon. Okay. Now, what we've all been waiting for. $3.99. Canadian, by the way. Price tag. The Duelist Genesis. Stardust. Are you here? Are there ghosts lurking in these packs? We shall see. First edition, Duelist Genesis packs. Oystermeister, Cravons, Fish Depth Charge, Psi Impulse, and Graceful Revival. Unfortunately, a no fur on the Duelist Genesis packs. But still, amazing. An amazing opening. Can't take it away from the other pulls. Other than our promo there, we have our Cyber Shadow Gardna and Invader of Darkness. Pretty sweet. I was actually thinking about picking one of these up just because it was first edition. It was really cheap, but it wasn't in the greatest condition, obviously. So I'm happy I didn't, because there we go. We got our own. All right, Invader of Darkness and Cyber Shadow Gardna. Hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next old school opening. Peace.